Can you leave David Clifford off your team?
Yes, I have left
Oh,
David
Jesus,
Clifford.
man, Joseph. Can we stop?
you can
Explain how.
Explain, because there are not a lot of good defenders to choose from.
It's another controversial statement.
Yeah, well,
No.
I think they're few and far between. Top class defenders.
You're
are
gonna be on some clips on Instagram
I know
tonight.
this is great. What the hell is this guy know? But here, I got to shake it up a wee bit, and look, we'll get to it when we get to it. Okay?
Right, so you didn't go. You didn't.
I
go for him?
didn't pick David Clifford. No.
Because I briefly considered the idea of not picking him,
Yes.
and then caught myself on.
Aye.
I was like, how do you not put the best player that's ever been
Okay.
into the best 15? And is the best player that's ever been. Do you consider him to the best player?
Oh, I
that's ever
definitely
been?
do. Like, he's.
But
he's
you didn't put him
definitely
into your best. You didn't put him into your best current 15.
Definitely just ahead of Mickey Linton, but there's a hair's breadth in it. Like, but yeah, he's the greatest player I've ever seen. But look, I struggle with the defence. You see, so I've gone with Kerry player in defence. Therefore, meaning I can't pick a Kerry player down the line. I probably boxed myself into a corner there, but when I finished this, I realised I had 2 Donegal players in it, so I had to go back to the drawing board. So, this is all about lastminute.com.